What's up guys, Bricks here and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at this set number 76422, Diagon Alley's Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. Now this set has 834 pieces. I believe it was released June of 2023 and retailed for $89.99. But guys, I'm so excited because this is probably one of my favorite buildings from Diagon Alley, and it's such an iconic set for the wizarding world. So let's go ahead and get started building with this Wizard Wheezes shop. And here we go guys, we finally have our Weasley shop build and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that we get Fred or George here at the front with the movable arms and the top hat. I am appreciating the color contrast of the orange and the lavender and the touch of purple. And of course we got Fred and George here. And if we turn it around, we've got the signs here as well as the owl post. If we turn it around, we can see inside of the store and we can see all of the stuff that you can purchase inside of this Weasley shop. Of course, we've got the, what's it called? The puking pasties, the Peruvian instant darkness powder, the pick-me puffs, the sticky trainers. We've got Umbridge hanging over here on a tricycle, I think. I mean, this is pretty detailed, guys. Even though there's a ton of stickers, it's still okay because we can see all of the products inside of the store. So for this one, I'm fine with that. Pretty detailed. If you guys enjoyed this build, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons. And as always, guys, don't forget to keep building. Until next time.